The Vivier Double Cotton Hammock and Stand Combination, a classic combo designed to travel with you for relaxation on the go. All Vivier combo hammocks are packaged tightly to protect the hammock, stand, and hardware. We also inspect all of our combos for quality before shipping. This particular combo assembles in under 5 minutes with no tools required, and the space-saving design allows you to place your new combo anywhere. Relax alone or with a friend. This combo easily fits 2 people up to 450 pounds. It's made of 100% breathable cotton that's tightly woven together. With new polyester end strings, your hammock is built to last and still easily adjustable to suit your height. It sits on a heavy-duty, powder-coated steel stand. The zinc-coated legs prevent rust, and the rubber end caps protect your deck when moving. And it all fits in this upgraded carry bag with leather stitching. Where will you be hammocking to next?